Hi, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I've always wanted to do this since about a month ago. Um, Ever since I bought these products from the Colourpop website, and I'm talking about the Beauty and the Beast collection. So I only bought the palette and the two lip kits right over here. So my game plan is to do the first two vertical rows first in this palette, come up with eye looks in one eye each, and then I'll do the same thing in the next video. I'll do these two vertical rows and then pick out a different lip color that I didn't use in the first video. So let's get started. Okay. Guess I checked that out. This palette, okay. So based on the colors, the colors, the shading, and all that stuff, my instincts say to go for the forbidden. Looks like a peachy rosy color. Ooh, that's very soft in texture. Look at okay, let me try it on this lid. I'm gonna use this first roll. Well, barely coming out. Let me try it with my finger. Wow, it's so creamy to the soft and creamy to the touch. You have to be extra careful. Yes, okay. Okay, very nice. I'm gonna do it again. One more. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's forbidden on my lid. I like my ring finger better than the brush. And so let me see what I can do with this. I'm just gonna follow my instincts, which brush I should go for next. I think it's a little too fluffy, this one. Well, if my instincts say is attracted to this brush, so okay, I'm gonna go for Break the Curse. Looks like an apricot color. Okay, so like an outer V. Oh wow, okay, good. It's good thing that they did this. Kind of reminds me of my MAC Soft Brown, kind of, that I see it. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Except more orangey. Okay. I'm thinking since I might as well go for like I'm gonna Break the Curse on this e.l.f. flat eyeshadow brush, the tip of it, so I can line my lower outer lash line. Yeah, my family's watching Celebrity Wheel of Fortune. That's not good. Okay. So, I haven't done Vivid Imagination yet. That's the last shade I'm going to use. I'm just going to play it by ear. And, I'm just going to go by my instincts. I'm going to try this, another e.l.f. brush. This time it's the Fluffy Eye Blender. So here we go. Let me see if it works better than my usual fluffy eyeshadow brush. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, nice, softer. Oh, I'm glad I made this decision to do that. Oh, that's way better. Okay, you can see it's a very a bright color. Okay, yep, you see, ooh, yeah, much softer. Runs very well. Okay, so my next instinct, oopsies, trying to figure out which one. I think I'm gonna go, let me put it on this color switch. I feel like going back to Forbidden, and I'm gonna use the tip of this flat eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. And I feel like doing this in the inner corner. I feel like, oh, I should have done, oh my god. Maybe switch and dip vivid imagination and forbidden and put in there. Oh, whoa, okay. Whoa. Well, oh well. So that's the first row right over here. Okay, on to the second row. Almost done. At least part video, this first video. So I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next one. I can grab any brush I want at any given time. Go as fast as I can. I don't think that I'm too special or too famous of a YouTuber to go 30 minutes in a makeup tutorial. I don't think I am. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I'm looking at this one. I'm gonna look at the screen at the same time. So I try not to do that with any eyeshadow palette, even though I'm the only one using it. So, so I'm feeling that I should do Belle. My instinct says to use my fingertip again, my ring finger this time in this hand. So I'm gonna do Belle. Again, very creamy to the touch. Put on the lid. Ooh, and that beautiful gold color. Reminds me of so Belle, like with her jewelry, her dress. Okay, I'll leave it at that. And then, let's see. I'm just going to go by my instincts which brush. I have a brush in mind. I think I'm going to go for e.l.f.'s popular C eyeshadow brush right over here. So it's called, I'm going to dip this brush into Beast. Okay, it looks matte from far away, but when it's up close, I see some like gold glittery specks. Is that what you call it? Okay, so I'm gonna dip it here. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this along the last line. So I'm ready. I'm gonna flip it over into the out, like more of the outer crease. That's what I'm aiming for. Okay, then go like this. Okay, okay. I'm gonna do it one more time. Oh, press your luck. Okay. Okay, I'm liking it. And then I'm gonna go for ballroom dance. So which brush I'm gonna use this time? I think I'm gonna go for my favorite Essence blending brush, and I'm gonna put it in the brow bone and blend it into the crease. What was it? Whoa, whoa, woo. Okay, whoa, okay. Ooh, little patchy with this brush. Oh my god, it's okay. Worst comes to worst, just go like this. Oh boy. It's gonna be ugly. It's gonna be wild. Ooh, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, where's... Okay, I need another blending brush. Oh my god. Oh, shoot. Okay, I'll use my fluffy brush. Dang. I should have stick to that other fluffy blending brush from Elf better. Oh well. Okay. Anything else? Do I feel like maybe I should line? I'll just take this pencil brush. I'll put Beast. I'm just gonna... Yeah, I remember Press Your Luck in the 80s. It was a cool show, and I'm glad it's back on the air. This time it's hosted by Elizabeth Banks. Love her. Even before the Hunger Games, I saw her in 40-Year-Old Virgin, all that stuff. Love her since, and so she's so awesome. She's beautiful too. Okay. Well, it didn't show up. It's okay. So that's the second row there. Okay, time for me to pick a lip color. It's gonna go with this. Trying to see which one I feel like putting on. I was gonna see which one. I think this might be the winner. The Break the Spell, which is based on Beast. So I think I'm just looking around. So whatever. So I think I'm leaning toward Beast because of all this browns I see in my eyes. Yeah. Trying to get this thing. And then this one's more like a pink. Ooh. You might think of this one. I don't know. What do you think, you guys? Like a... You know what? You know, I'm gonna go for Beast after all. I'm just going by my instincts. I'm gonna take a risk on the other one on the second video, okay? So I'm gonna... So I feel like doing this one. This is what the lipstick looks like, and I'm gonna put the lip gloss on the top then. Oh, this smells delicious. Kind of like a caramelly layer scent. Okay. This is this lip gloss. This is a lipstick. I'm gonna smash it right together. Okay. Okay, that's it for video number 1. Okay, these are your final looks. All right, till my next video, just coming very shortly. Peace out, bye, and see you later.